The very earliest Sogdian writings are some inscriptions which were found in Kultobe in South Kazakhstan. That's quite a recent discovery within the last 10 years or so. And they're written in a... It's not immediately obvious that they're in Sogdian at all, because at that time Sogdian was written in a script derived from Aramaic, and the habit was to use Aramaic words rather than to write the Sogdian words. So rather like the way we write numerals, for instance, you can write the figure 1, and in different languages it's pronounced in different ways according to the word for 1 in that language. So they used Aramaic words, but they didn't pronounce them in Aramaic. They pronounced them with the equivalent Sogdian word. But of course that means it's rather difficult to tell what language it is. It's only from the occasional word for which there was no Aramaic equivalent, which they wrote phonetically in Sogdian, that you can tell the language really is Sogdian. These inscriptions at Kultobe, they're not very many and they're not very long, but they do contain a large number of place names. And we understand from this that the area where Kultobe is found in South Kazakhstan, which is to the north of the main Sogdian-speaking areas, was, as it were, colonized by Sogdians, first of all from the city of Charch, which is nowadays Tashkent, but also by Sogdians from Samarkand, Bukhara, Kesh and Shahrizabs. So these are some of the main cities of central Sogdiana. And obviously the rulers, the lords of these areas, sent troops or colonists to join the people of Tashkent in setting up a colony here in the land where they are surrounded by nomadic peoples. In maybe the 1st century AD, we don't know exactly when. These inscriptions cannot be dated, but they're certainly earlier than the 4th century, maybe 3rd, maybe 2nd, maybe 1st century.